Today we're gonna do a Siloti language challenge. I'm from Sunamganj and he's from Borlecha, and we're gonna do a Siloti language challenge today. Our first word is snakehead fish. In Sunamganj we say sengi.
In Borlecha we say sand.
The next word is Tailor bird. In Sunamganj we say photoi.
In Borlecha we say techoi.
Techoi.
Yeah.
The next word is the barb. In Sunamganj we say logiuri.
In Borlecha we say ramayuri.
And the next word is haystack or haystack. I don't know how do you say it in English, but in Sunamganj we say kherorbula.
In Borlecha we say kherorfeni.
And the next word is Mexican cilantro. In Sunamganj we say nagabajor.
In Borlecha we say bondula.
Bondula.